Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to download Conversation in Slack, Backup Slack Conversation, Easy Slack tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and download them, then you need to make sure first to log in onto your Slack account. So as you can see, I'm currently logged in already onto my Slack account. Now, right after, we'll just need to go ahead and click the name of your workspace in here and click onto this arrow button. Right after, hover onto Tools and Settings, and you should be able to find in Workspace Settings in here. So this should go ahead and open your browser in here to so that you'll get redirected here onto your admin settings. So by here, you should be able to find it onto the upper part, the import or export data. Simply click onto that, and there should be an option for you to import the data in your device. To download your conversation, you'll have to find the one under export in here. So click onto export, and as you can see, you could export the messages and files that are into that specific conversation. So you'll just need to wait for this one to load first, and right after, choose in the export date range. So you could download the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or entire history. So you could also add in a specific date range for that. Let's choose last 24 hours and click on to start export to begin. So as you can see, it will go ahead and generate, and you'll receive an email when the export is ready to download. So just head onto your email address, and you should be able to find it in there that your data has been exported already, and you could download it from there. And that is how easy you could download Conversation in Slack or back up your Slack conversation. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.